The mission of the Michigan Prison Doula Initiative is to provide childbirth education, prenatal support, doula care, and postpartum resources for pregnant women in prison. When everybody was sort of telling me that this idea was impossible, I brought it to optiMize, and that's really when the doors started opening for me. We're really working in a collaborative way to build on what we have now to make it even better, to increase the care for the moms that are pregnant and incarcerated in Michigan.
Oshki is an apparel company that takes plastic waste from the Great Lakes and other U.S. waterways and turns it into sustainable and durable clothing. So I've always been really passionate about the Great Lakes. Growing up on the shores of Lake Michigan, I didn't have a really formed idea when I first came to optiMize, but they saw what Oshki could become, and their trust and faith in what I was doing really aided me, and Oshki was able to further develop and pivot into using plastic waste in an innovative way, which is a pretty new industry. The optiMize experience really helped boost my self-confidence into believing that I can really make a change in the world and the community around me.
The Co-op is an intimate, accessible, community-oriented concert venue, and we want to give artists a platform to perform, and we want to give audience members a nice community live music experience. Without optiMize, I would be without a vision and without a community to help me do what I love. What means a lot to me is having a group of people who really believe in me and believe in what I'm doing and believe in the value of the arts and bringing society closer together.
Project Healthy Schools has really been created in response to globalization in Bangladesh. What we want to do is educate kids on how their environment shapes their experiences in terms of health. Before we started working with optiMize, we didn't really have a long-term strategy and plan. We started thinking more deeply about sustainability and what it means to scale nationally so we can implement our program in more schools than ever before. We have this new mindset and new perspective of seeing the world and making it a better place. Everyone's made a difference in their own way, but we've made an even bigger difference because of optiMize.
Working with GRCC and optiMize for this community garden has allowed me to grow as a leader and the ability to get other people involved and as passionate about this project as I am so that it can be really sustainable into the future. This garden has given me an incredible amount of purpose. It's enabled me to serve my community, and serving is something that I've become really passionate about. I feel that I'm able to see the needs of my community and address them. I have the ability to address them, and this garden is a result of that.
Why not me?
Why not me?
Why not me?
Why not me?
Why not me?